Hey guys, this is Sierra. I just wanted to say that this video is made for all the people that were affected in the Haiti's earthquake that devastated the country practically, and that I hope that you guys donate to the Red Cross, and please watch this slideshow and donate money, food. They really need like water, food, but what they really need is stuff that can make like the houses be built better so they can withstand earthquakes like we have in our country. So please just watch this video, and I hope you do donate because they really do need our help badly. Thanks.
Touch the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools, said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer rose. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might
Be you.
put my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the young God they made.